Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14FS and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the resets. Basically, if you wish, you can close them one by one manually just by tapping, just by swiping them up, sorry. And if you wish, and I highly recommend to do that actually, close all of them just upon close. And now we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.